What is up, guys, and welcome back. We are still up here in the middle of nowhere, Canada. Still haven't seen any other human beings. Technically the first full day. We've already been out for a while. Been catching some nice fish. Been pretty good. Stay tuned. I like it. Ah!
Full day. Full day. First full day. First full day.
Yeah, we kind of dicked around, but we also only have 5 hours of sleep.
Fish! Fish! What is it? Hold on, JoJo.
Swim bait. Ah, first fish of the day.
Fast of the day.
He ripped my tail off too, you bastard. Damn, these things are strong.
No, you're trying to grab them.
God. All right, well, you know, look what you did to me though.
That's your first cast.
First cast, first fish. Showing the old guys up again. Oh, I had one. Right on that other rock.
Really?
Yeah, there's another rock in there. He hit it right when I came over it. Yep, that was him. Number 2!
Little guy.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at all them rocks. There's gotta be fish in there. Jesus. God.
Yeah, friend? I'm gonna throw it over you. I want his friend.
I don't see any.
He's just turning sideways.
God, they're so strong, I know.
He's just chunky. Look at him.
When he first hit, he was like around a rock. He is chunky though. Oh. Oh. Oh, nice one. Big one.
Good one?
Yeah, big one. It's a big one. Oh my gosh. They're so strong, man. Yeah, that's a good one. God, he's long. That's a good one. God, this is pretty good fishing. I'm gonna say, see how that's so long right through there.
From there to the end is like 6 inches.
I'm gonna say he's 17. I'm gonna say 17 and a half.
Fucking 18.
Yeah. He is 18 and a quarter. That's insane. So that one was 20.
Yeah, we caught some that were close to 20.
18 and a quarter inch smallie, and we've caught bigger ones. I'd say we probably broke 20 last night.
I think so.
Because they got, now they're not, he's probably only 3 pounds. But there's so much length from here to there. And they are spawned out, so I think it's making them look smaller, you know, smaller than they are. That's 18 and a quarter though. It's a good freaking smallmouth. On the bitty swimmer. Oh yeah, we're slamming them. This one's like really bronze. It's pretty.
Yeah, he's got that tan.
How did he choke it though? They're so like strong. Look at the green on them.
The gills.
Like a turquoise almost.
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty.
That's what I mean.
It's like really good. I mean, we've already caught like a dozen or so fish today. Oh my God, Jake. Oh, he's not bad. He's not bad. No, he's good. He looks small at first. Oh, that's a good one. The tannic makes him look smaller.
He just was coming in like a turd at first.
That's a good one, Jake. No. Oh no. Oh no. No, I'll get him. I got him.
Ready?
Oh God, that one's sad. That might be. Oh God, that might be the biggest one. That's bigger than that last one I got. I think it might be 19. I don't know. That's a pretty good one. That might be. We gotta measure him. I think that one's gonna break 19. We gotta get a picture. He's a little bigger. About 19. 18. 18 3/4.
Oh yeah. Oh fuck yeah.
It's a walleye. Jake.
It's a walleye.
It's a big walleye. You ready?
Yeah, that's probably what just took my tail. It's a blue one.
Is it a blue pike?
I can't tell.
I gotta get a picture of that.
It is a blue one.
It's a blue pike.
It's a blue one.
I just caught a blue pike. Are you kidding me?
Blue walleye.
Is it?
Yeah. Look at his tail.
Does that count?
Yeah, you.
Just a little bit?
Yeah, look, see it?
He's gonna be too big to keep. That's not a blue pike.
Yeah, it is.
You sure?
Yeah. Pull his dorsal up. See his tail?
I don't think it's a blue pike.
You see it?
Yeah, but I don't think it counts.
Why does it not count?
Because they're usually really blue.
Some of them are harder to see, but.
Wow. Definitely need a picture of him.
Yeah, he's got blue in him. Not a ton, but he's got blue here.
Yeah, he
He's
does.
got blue here.
I don't know if
a little bit, like a little bit here.
The ones I've seen have been really blue.
Look what we got.
Dang walk. It might be a blue pike. I don't know. Comment below.
There's a little bit of blue in his tail.
Like more blue than I've ever seen, but I don't know if that counts.
It's harder to tell when the sun's directly on him.
Yeah.
What kind of length we got on him? He's got to go back.
Yeah, maybe he's gonna.
Conservation limits here, 18 inches.
He's
He is
20 and a half.
20 and a half. Nice job.
Yeah, heck yeah. Can you get a pic?
Yeah.
All right, he's going back. They got to be under 18 to keep here, which is cool and probably gonna make there be some giants. There you go. Later, man. He is kind of blue, ain't he?
I told you.
I don't know. Maybe it was blue pike. I don't know.
That was 100% what took my tail though, right before you threw it.
That was pretty cool. All right, well I think we're gonna troll a little bit, see if we can get some pike, maybe some more walleye. What do you think, Jake?
I'm about it.
Think we're gonna do it?
Yeah, I can do it.
A little bit trollsters. Do a little trolly troll, you know what I mean? A little trolling it up. You did not just do that. Look at that little ambitious little bastard. Look how fat he is. Why is he so fat?
I don't know, but I'm gonna get hooked in me with how he's acting.
He doesn't have enough weight to do what you're doing. It's like he's shaped like a rock bass. My God. Yeah, well, we stopped trolling because we just seen a bunch of bass. Jake had one on. One just tried to hit mine on the surface. Not sure what the hell's going on. So we're gonna cast for bass again. Get hit. Get him, Jake. Get him. Is he big?
No.
Is he big, Jake?
No.
Jake, is he big?
No.
Jake, is he?
Yes.
Oh, it's a pike. It's a pike. That's a pike. Wait a second. Weird. Oh, I got one too. Oh, this feels big.
What is it?
I don't know. Jake, we just. What is that?
What is it? It's a pike.
What the hell is happening? We just stopped trolling for pike. Oh, wow. Okay, mine's gone. Jake, what?
Stop.
Jake, what?
What just happened?
What? Okay, so we were trolling for pike, and then we were catching bass. So we stopped trolling for pike to fish for bass, and we just caught 2 pike.
I don't understand.
What? What?
I like it.
You want to picture your first pike?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Wow. Okay. I'm confused.
I don't know what to do.
We just had a double pike though.
I don't know what to do anymore.
We just doubled up on pike.
I gotta repack.
That was silly. Those little pike feel like good for like 5 seconds. They just have like that first initial like burst of it just makes them feel big.
Yeah, they make you excited for like.
Especially when they hit your bass stuff. Yeah, I just looked down and he hit it. Yeah, there he is. There's the bass, Jake. Where's all his friends? I'm just gonna keep playing this guy. Yeah. Okay, come here. Look at the colors on him.
He's like green and brown.
He's pretty. Right, come here, dude. Come here. I don't know where you came from, buddy. I'm not mad at it, though. That is a pretty fish, man. His fins are red. Dang old bronzer. I don't know if you guys can see how red those fins are. That's pretty cool. That's a little thick fish, man.
They're healthy, man.
These little thickums. Little thickums came out of nowhere and done dang old smackered it right there down dang old by the boat right there. Daggone, man, you know what I mean? Just rocketed it right back down. Stuff's happening.
Don't let your rod get too close, man.
He's actually pretty good.
Want a net?
I don't think I need a net, but.
Bring him to me.
Ooh, he got bigger.
His tail, how red.
He got bigger, didn't he?
Yeah, look how red. That's the prettiest one you caught.
God, he is pretty. Damn, he's bigger than I thought, Jake.
Yeah, he got a lot bigger as soon as he got in the boat.
Popped right out.
See how red?
That is a wow.
Look at the
That
black
tail.
along the edge of the tail.
Yeah, that's a pretty one. So that's not the biggest one, but that is pretty. He's just so red. Like he's got red on all his
See
fins.
the red fins on that?
Nice dark. I mean, he's probably still.
His tail's like red with black outline.
I mean, he's probably 17. Like he's over 17.
17 and a half.
So I mean, that's still like a 3-pounder, but man, that was crazy. I'd say that's probably the prettiest one so far. That is a cool fish. He's tall too. That was a cool one. What if he just ate my bait? He just swam right by it. That's pretty cool, Jake. That was a pretty fish. That one kept getting bigger. Neither one of us thought it was big, and then it just.
Maybe that one I had on was big. It just didn't look big with like the tannic.
I'm thinking it was. Yeah, I think it was. That's not on. That one looks big. He's gonna run. He looked big the whole time. This one's gotta be big. Oh, Jake. That's the one, buddy.
Oh my
That's
God.
the one. Oh,
I can't even hold on to him. He's too
that's
fucking strong.
like 5. That's big. Yep.
He's off.
That's big. Hold that up. If he's not 20, he's close. That's a tank. That's a
The
tank.
camera's crooked, but look at him.
That is a tank.
He's huge.
Put him on there. He's got to be touching 20.
No, he's just
Oh,
a
he's
tank.
19. He's just tall.
He's just the first fat one we've
God,
got.
that's good. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's
He's a little scarred up.
That's thick. He's thick. Oh. What is this?
That's a good bed in your rod when you set the hook.
Oh, this might be big.
Is it?
It might be. It feels like it. Oh, Jake.
It's good. It's good.
I think he's
It's like that one you just let go, that 17.
Sure. Probably.
Yeah, I think so. There's one underneath it.
He choked that.
Watch this, watch
Gosh.
this, watch this, watch this.
Get him. Oh, God, he's right there. You got him. Oh, yes. Yes. Get him in there. Get him in there. Oh, mine's out. Mine's out. Mine's out. Mine's out. What just happened? What just happened? I think mine's actually kind of big. What just happened?
That's
Oh,
the trip so far.
that was hilarious. Those are both nice. That's yours?
This one's yours.
Oh no. We eating this guy?
I don't think so. It's just in the top of the mouth.
That's not a bad one either, man. Oh, it just fell right out. Wow, look at that. Yeah, it's
Nice, good. Maybe it was out already, just sitting deep.
he's kind of tall too. How big is this guy?
I can get him.
Check, he's almost 19.
Really?
Look at that.
He's just not as
girthy.
not as thick this
He's,
way.
he's 18 3/4. Look at that. All right, well, Jake's got like, I don't know, probably a 17 and a half. I got another almost 19. Not bad, huh? That's pretty cool. Okay, they're pretty fish, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're pretty. They're just chilling with each other, huh? I like to think that we were two brothers who just caught two brothers. Oh. Bike. There's a thump thump. Yo, mother. That was very violent. That could have been a bit. That could have been a bigger one. That one was very violent. How nice is he?
Oh yeah.
Is he a good one?
Yeah.
Oh, he's long. Holy shit. Holy shit, is he long?
Oh, I just had one.
We gotta get this guy. Is he long? I can't. I don't know.
He's just like those two we just put.
Oh my god. I mean, he is kind of long though. Dang. Well, it's like another. Oh, dubbies, dubbies, dubbies. Where is he? I have to net you. The head shake's big.
Can't tell yet.
Is he? Still can't tell.
He's not that big.
He's not bad though. Dubbies, 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 Jake, dubbies, dubbies. Jake, dubbies. Jake.
This fish could die before I get mine in.
Dubbies, dubbies, Jake, dubbies. All right, thanks, man. Yeah, that was a long one. Oh, yeah, he still had some. He wanted more. God, yeah, that was.
God, it gets so hectic.
My chair's barely hanging on. Yeah. That's how you do it right there.
Yeah.
Oh, front heavy.
Let me. Whatever you want to do. I did his deadlifts for today. You did your deadlifts for today, bud. Oh.
You got it?
Oh yeah. Motor's done pretty good.
Yeah, they do.
Oh fuck yeah. That's good, boys. Ready?
Yeah. You step. You did one big step, or what are you
I was
doing?
gonna try to pull the boat over.
Oh, that's not gonna happen. Roasting some weenies? What are you making?
Well,
Making them all? Doing all of
three
them?
apiece.
All of them? Huh? Yeah, got some weenies out here, man. Got the propane going. That's gonna be good for when we fish fry. Yeah, this has been a good trip so far, and we're not even a full day in. I think I've already caught like, I don't even know, probably like 50 fish. Fished a couple hours last night, fished for, I don't know, 3 hours today. Gonna eat lunch, gonna head back out, and hopefully keep catching some really nice fish. Just love it. There's literally not a soul out here. we got this entire huge lake to ourselves, full of fish.